Are you looking for an easy and smooth way to learn and build IoT projects? Introducing AVR Technologies IoT Learning Kit, designed for students, educators, and innovators. Easily program your projects using the Arduino IDE or ESP-IDF. Whether you are a beginner or an advanced developer, this kit makes coding effortless. Not just IoT, this kit is perfect for both IoT and other embedded standalone projects. No complex wiring. With dedicated connectors, setting up hardware is quick and hassle-free. Power it the way you want. Use a 12-volt battery or an adapter for seamless operation. Choose from a variety of sensors and peripherals to suit your project needs. Learning is easier with structured guidance. This kit includes a detailed lab manual with IoT experiments and a project guide covering 20 IoT projects and 50 mini projects. But that's not the limit. With this kit, you can build countless mini and mega projects to bring your ideas to life. Isn't that amazing? This kit is built to last. Our dual-layer PCB ensures durability while the acrylic mount prevents short circuits. Plus, the high-quality enclosure keeps everything safe. Need custom modifications? We have got you covered. Adapt the kit to fit your exact requirements. Learning IoT has never been this easy. Get your IoT learning kit today and start building the future.